been a bit of a long journey. I grew up in the Middle East, and 14 years ago had a car accident where I lost my legs, and I'm in a wheelchair now. So I was just starting off a really good career as a pilot, very high earning potential in the Middle East, and I couldn't do that anymore. I was going through relationship issues and I went through a divorce. I had built an accessible home and had lost that, and and then of course I had to survive just on my own income, and things became a lot harder doing that. But I met someone else not too long after that, and proposed to her in February, and it got me thinking. With the goals of things we want to have a family, have kids, but also there's an operation I'd like to have which could potentially allow me to walk again on prosthetics. Building a house, I'd significantly need to increase my income to do that. So I'm driving to work one morning, James phones me, I'm in the car, and how you going? We had a quick catch up, and then he said that he'd spoken to Greg and that they'd like to help me with my journey and get to having that surgery and all those things.
Beautiful.
And he said, we're happy to give you an unlimited wealth course, and that sort of, I was a bit gobsmacked there. He asked me how I was positioned to open a trading account, and again, because of circumstances, I got a bit of debt more than anything else, so I wasn't in a position to do anything. And he said that they were happy to help me with that as well.